Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is your girl Rosella from Rosella Gang, and I'm back with another video. So my last video, y'all seen this right here. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Y'all seen this, and as you can see, like I told y'all, I made that. So what I'm about to do is, since I done lifted because of me and my hot water obsessions, I'm about to take this off, you guys. Ow! Let me put this camera down. I'm trying to put this camera down so I can record what I'm doing. Okay. So, you guys, taking this off. I didn't go and get no other wig cap. I'm about to recycle this wig cap. And since how this hair is not that old, and this is my hair. My hair looking crazy right now. It's all matty. Y'all know how natural it is. I should have did it how I said I was gonna do it. I was gonna just take this off. As you can see, this is a wig. I make these. I just make it like this with glue. So I'm gonna take this off or whatever. I'm gonna take this hair off and just most likely recycle this hair. I said I wasn't gonna make no makeup video like this because how long it be taking, but I'm gonna go ahead. For people that don't know how to do this very simple technique, it's called a quick weave. So I'm gonna do this very simple technique for you guys. It's very simple. I don't know if you can tell, but all the hair is like basically off because it don't take that long. I'm not gonna let it take that long. This is for when you know, you got a date coming up or whatever. Matter of fact, you guys, this is what I'm gonna do. Because my hair is dry, as you can see, and I really don't like my hair being dry like that. So I'm gonna take my bottle and I'm gonna spray it. I got this shirt on because I don't mind getting this shirt dirty because I don't work at Subway. Sorry, Subway. I love your shirt. It's very comfortable, but so yeah. Let's go on here. Have to get this junk in my roots, you know. Cause see what I normally do, you guys, is take and do it with, I moisturize it with the aloe vera plant. I like to do that like at least once a week, but I haven't been getting to the grocery store lately. I don't really like to go around people like that since how it was going on with the pandemic. I really don't like going around people like that. So I wasn't able to get to the store like that and get what I need, but I have to take my behind. So I've been lazy and go find it. Then one of the main stores I like to go to, it's like a mom and pop store around my old neighborhood, and they usually sell aloe vera plant. And their aloe vera plant, I guess because of what's going on with the pandemic, the aloe vera plant is not fresh. It's not fresh like I need it to be. I like my aloe vera plant very fresh because it seems like it's better with the moisture on my hair. Like right now, see, that's what you have to do with this 4C hair. You gotta make sure that it be moistured. That's one thing about it. Got to make sure it stay moistured. Now, what's going to help keep this glue on my hair, like you see, it ain't no glue on my hair right now. I like to use this Garnier Fructis. I use that, and I like to use this from Walmart. I use that I mix that the long way, and I just take those two. You don't gotta use this much, but this, my hair is very thick, so I use kind of a lot of product. My hair is thick, so just want to bring it around town. This junk spill some of my shirt. Anyway, so I'm gonna take a little bit more because see, it's like a coat or a covering for your hair, and it's healthy for you, so good for you. But I like to get the middle because my middle of my hair like to be dry, like. So I just want to moisture all of it. Just moisture it all up. Make a mask for my hair. My hair is masked. It's a mask. It's a mask on it. You can see it. See the whiteness? It's a mask on my hair. It's masked. It's moisturized. Massage it in your scalp. Scalp loves to be massaged. It's healthy for your hair when it's growing. So put that up. Okay. Now I'm gonna take this. This has already been used, as you can see. I'm gonna take this and so y'all can see this the top. So I'm gonna use that as the top again. I'm gonna just put it back on the same way. And mind you, like I said, your hair is masked, so you can recycle this, especially if it ain't no rips in it. Like you see, it ain't no rips on mine. Just recycle it. Ain't no point in paying some more money unless you want to keep what I had before. Just keep the wig or whatever. But if you like me that like to save money, recycle it. Okay. I'm thinking, should I use this hair, or I'm gonna use this piece, of course, because this is the top. This is the closure piece. If you want to know what hair I'm using, it's this Malaysian right here. And it comes up to, it's like this, it comes up to 18 piece, all the way down, 18 all the way down to 14, and then it has this closure piece on it. And so I'm saving my closure piece, and this time I'm gonna do it in, I'm gonna start off with the 16 piece because I already used the 18 piece. I'm just doing the 16 because I just don't feel like, I'm being lazy. I'm sorry, Americans. I just don't feel like brushing out the other hair. I don't feel like all of it. You see, I don't know if y'all noticed, I had basically my whole head done. If you watched my other video, you'll see